Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Leos from 13th to 19th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present, and your immediate future. So let's see what cards have to say. Okay, Leos, this is your current energy right now. The Queen of Pentacles. Amazing. This is so good, Leos. Basically, this is showing me that you are currently focusing your attention on something that you really, really like. You are doing something that is your hobby or that has been your passion, and then you are so happy about it, you are very very content about it, and this is making you very happy. This is making you feel very good about yourself, and it's not only you feeling good about yourself, people around you also they're also appreciating you and really feeling happy about wherever you are right now in your life. Okay, all right, so your past cards are Page of Cups reversed, Seven of Pentacles reversed, and Six of Cups. Well, here I am getting this feeling that whatever you have done in past, right now your energy is Queen of Pentacles, but before that, whatever you had done, that was just some short term things, something which gave you benefit, something which gave you recognition and fame, but it was not a very very long term thing. It was a very interesting and a very good thing, but it was just for the short term. So that gave you everything, but that did not stay with you for a very long period of time. All right, so before moving towards the present, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Your present cards are Four of Swords, Wheel of Fortune reversed, and the Empress. Wow, amazing. The Empress and the Queen of Pentacles as your energy. You are doing great, Leos. The energy that you have right now is making you very very confident, a very very stable person. You have this people recognize you, you have fame right now, and some good news you might get. You are just at your best right now, but I don't know why you are feeling that you are alone, or don't think that you are alone. Maybe right now, whatever you hard work you have done or whatever you are planning is not getting results, but that is okay, because trust me, because of this wheel of fortune in your present, you have success. It's just that it might get little delayed, so you really don't have to worry. People are around you, people love you, and they really care for you, so you don't have to feel that you are lonely. And look at yourself, you are so strong, you don't even need anybody around you. You are somebody whom people might ask for help, or some kind of assistance, or people would want to be around you, so you really don't have to worry about anything. So moving towards your future, that is King of Swords, 10 of Wands reversed, and 10 of Swords. So basically, because you are planning on a lot of things right now, and your short-term goals are finished, and now you want to plan something long-term. So you are, basically maybe you have, or you might engage yourself into lot of different projects, different things in life, or your situations could be such that you will have to handle a lot of different areas of your life, and doing all these things together might make you feel very very tired and very exhausted, and even that power will be there, that confidence will be there, but because obviously we are humans and we cannot take so much of responsibility on us. So that might make you feel little tired, and that might make you feel little stressed out, then and little bit tensed and little bit exhausted. But don't worry, Leos. The future is yours. Everything, you are definitely going to get some good news, and this hard work is going to get paid off. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Still you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, or for the personalized reading you can see the description box. Good luck, Leos.